I wasn't really open to it, but I think that it's going to help me because for a person that deals with PTSD, I really wasn't open to sharing that with anybody, but I'm going to say that today, that I think that's going to be something to help me transition with that in the future and be really helpful to me dealing with homelessness. It really took me down a downward spiral. So, being here is helping me, deal with that situation and just being around people that care and it could possibly help you change your life.